Welcome back to Jack's Kicks, guys. Today I have an unboxing for you guys of an old shoe that came out a couple years ago, and you guys already know it is the CPFM Overgrown, so I cannot wait for you guys to see this. I finally got them. These have been on my wish list for a minute, and then I was like, you know what, let me just go for it, and then I did. Here is the box right here, as you guys can see here. It's a little bit opened up, but it's all good. You guys can see there's the front, and here's the bottom as well. And so, yeah, we're going to go ahead and just get right into it, man. Let's just get right into it, man. You guys already know the deal with these shoes. So here is the Nike switches that we get, which is really cool. I know this is a random unboxing, but I really wanted these shoes. I love unique shoes, and these were on my mind, so I had to get them. But, yeah, here's the Nike switches. And I got some more unboxings coming up. One of something, another item that came out a couple years ago, and of something that came out recently. So we got some cool unboxings for you guys, and obviously February is going to be a busy month, so expect some more videos on the channel. We also get a bag to carry the shoes in. Look at that. That's really cool. The back has nothing on there. Got the little laces on there too. Is there anything in here? I never even checked inside. No, nothing. Here they are. And yes, I had these for a couple days already. I just haven't made the video yet, but we have them here. And I did put these on feet just to check them out. And yes, they fit pretty comfortably. That's also a major plus. But here they are, man. Look how crazy these things are. But this is such a nice shoe overall. But yeah, this is such a nice shoe. As you guys can see here, we got these nice laces. Like, it's just such a unique shoe. It really is, man. And my favorite part of the shoe was this like rocky type of part, this material, whatever material this is, this rough material. I always thought that this just complemented the shoe very nicely, so that's what really caught my attention. Here's the back, and I'm not gonna be shaving these. I'm not. I'll just keep them like this. There you go. There's the little logo right there, right here. Really cool, man. And yes, there are zippers at the tongue, just like how you have with your Travis Scotts too. CPFM on the tongue, and then you got the insole, and then here's the bottom of the shoe. This is actually a really nice shoe, guys. I really like it a lot. And for the left shoe, we get the more dirt look on it, and it's still a rough material as well. You guys can see, here's the bottom. There you go. And here's the side. And we also get 2 more sets of laces too. Dang, look at that. So you get this type of lace, and a more ropey type of lace as well. Looks like it has 3M on it too. I can't even tell. Really nice. And we get a hang tag as well. Really cool. Look at that. But yeah, and we get the CPFM on the tongue as well. You guys probably can't even see with all this fur. But yeah, and then there's also there's also a zipper on the tongue as well. So yeah, that's really cool. And then on this shoe, we get the Nike logo right there. You guys can see it. Oh, and we still get the symbol as well. Right there. The Nike logo's on this one as well too. And then here's the insole as well. It shows L for left. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah, I know this shoe's been out for a minute, but I had to get it because I was a big fan of these shoes ever since they got revealed. I just think it's so unique, and I love unique shoes. Obviously, this isn't a shoe that I'm going to be wearing all the time. Whenever there's a right occasion for it, I don't know, Christmas time or whatever, these will definitely be put on feet. Overall, a really nice, clean shoe. This video doesn't need to be too long either because you guys already know what the deal is with these shoes, man. These been out for a few years already, but I had to pull the trigger on these and pick them up. So yeah, definitely got this. And make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel because I do have another unboxing of another item that came out a couple years ago that I think you guys will like for sure. And some more shoes as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching Jack's Kicks. Make sure you guys subscribe to my main channel, Jack's Gaming, as well for all the gaming stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm signing out. Peace.